Hey guys, it's Glen Murray. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're brand new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. This is going to be my Master Affiliate Profits review, and I'm going to throw in a little bonus on how I'm driving so much traffic. I'm number 2 actually for leads this month, and I just got this a few days ago. I actually saw this when it came out. About 6 months ago, I think, maybe longer, when they first launched it for founders. A bunch of affiliate marketers got access to join it. I didn't join it because I was promoting other products. And the third phase has come out now, so it's open for the public. And so I went in, I grabbed and just full transparency, I grabbed the platinum thing. I recommend if you're going to grab this, just go get the platinum. But I'm going to show you inside. I'm going to show you all. There's so much training in here, guys. It's just unbelievable how packed this is. And even at the free level, it's really cool. At a free level, you can join and you can make 25% commissions. But really, to make really great money using this program, you want to be in at the platinum member. That's where the money is. All right. So first off, you're going to meet. This is John Thornhill. He's a multi-million-dollar earner from ClickBank. He's got like all the awards on ClickBank. He's been doing it for years. And I'm not sure if that's Omar beside him. Omar's another big marketer who, I don't think that's Omar. Another big marketer that is on JVZoo. He sells. I've got a bunch of I've actually got a bunch of John Thornhill's products. I promoted his products in the past. So I already had, I think, Rapid Digital Assets. I had that prior to it being included in this program. So basically, MAP is an affiliate marketing ecosystem. And it truly is an ecosystem. Like, you go in here and you learn everything. I'll show you the members area. Why people are raving about MAP. It's all the tools you need. It's really easy to get started just by promoting this, because all you do is point people to a link, and everything else is set up for you. It's literally like you just copy and paste a few little things and it's done. You don't technically, you don't need a domain. You don't even have to do email marketing if you don't want to. The platinum level is $7.97 yearly. That's just so you know, that's what I got. But any of these, totally recommend it. And you can earn as a JV partner, so it's really cool. All right, so let's go in. You want to go here. Right now, I've only earned $32.90 in commissions. I just got started. And what's great is that because when you're referring into it, they actually take care of following up with your leads for you. So really, all you need to do, so you can see I'm number 2 here on leads. All you need to do is basically point people at the system, and you get your link up there and everything. But I'm going to show you the products. So here's, like, it's just chock full, guys. Here are the products. So you've got all these categories: list building, email marketing, traffic training, video marketing, blogging, banners and graphics, ad marketing, social media, and creating bonuses. So you've got all these, and each one of these, like in each section, breaks down into a much more and then you go into here and you get to see, like, so this is list building, and then you've got different levels depending on what amount you came in on. So then you have these list building tools that you can download and use. You can use these PLRs. These are free for you to use. You download it, you use it. It's just, there's so much content here that you have. So it's really cool. Map reporting, additional training, drive, capture, email, and then as a platinum member, you get this list building workshop. You can see it's a platinum member. So then you've got this entire workshop. So it just keeps, this is a gold level, this is silver level training, and this first part would be the free training. The PLR products can be used as lead magnets for building a list. If you're building a subscriber list outside of MAP ecosystem, then you will need good quality products like these to offer as an incentive for your prospect. So guys, my bonus to you is I'm going to show you how I list build. I do it on Instagram, and I give people something like exactly like this. Every video I make is I say, hey, if you want to download my free guide, right, which would be one of these things, comment, and I send them to a very simple landing page where I collect their email. And then I send them, in that first email, I send them a free guide, and I also show them an offer that they can go buy. I've been using this technique for a couple of years now since I got into affiliate marketing, and it just continues to work better and better and better. And I just get better at making videos, so I get more people coming into it, and that's why I'm getting all these leads into the program. So again, this is like really where you want to be if you're a brand new. Because, you know, there's email marketing. If you want to get, like, email marketing is where the money is, guys. 90% of my sales come from email marketing, just so you know. Sorry, I think I just tapped my mic. So like this is where you're going to learn so much, because being able to write a persuasive email that converts is the most important thing. And I know there's a lot of people that say, oh, I'm an email writer. But unless they're writing in your words, they can't duplicate what you're going to have, the connection you're going to have with your list. So the people on my list know when I'm writing an email because my emails are very short. I get to the point. I don't like all the fluff. I just go, hey, this is what you need to get. Go get this, blah, 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 blah. That's mine. Sometimes I'll throw in an idea into ChatGPT, but I give ChatGPT a whole bunch of prompt, and then I say, ChatGPT, write this like me, and it just makes a bigger version of it. But basically, all these are great tools. Traffic training, again, how to get traffic, super, super important. Video marketing, this is what I do. Like I do short, like this is where you're going to make the most bang for your buck. Blogging, if you still want to do a website, and blogging can still work, guys, especially if you're using it with video content where you can send people to a blog that flushes out, because people just want information. Or you've got a podcast that you're mixing with a blog, super powerful. And then banners and graphics, learning how to do the all the graphic stuff, all that. It's really easy. Everyone uses Canva these days. I'm an old Photoshop person, but I use Canva all the time as well. I don't do ads, so ad marketing is, if that's something you want to do. I do solo ads, so I guess I kind of do ads, but I don't personally do ads. And then social media, this is where I am. Social media etiquette, Facebook. I don't really use Facebook that much anymore. I'm focused solely on building my YouTube channel and my Instagram channel. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention on this is when you are at the platinum level, they send traffic to you. So you don't even technically, you could just let them send the traffic to you. As you're building your system and building it up and starting to send your own traffic, they're going to be sending you traffic from their sources of traffic. So that's kind of the bonus you get as being a platinum member. Highly recommend it. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll try to get them answered for you. I'll put the link to go get it. It's really simple. I'm going to put the direct link in there. I'm not even going to put my landing page in. So if you want to go grab it, I highly recommend, if you want to become an affiliate marketer and basically live the life you want to. You know, I work a couple hours a day and that's it. And I make enough money to sustain our family. We have a beautiful 4,000 square foot house on a giant lot. I have 3 kids. I spend all my time with them, and this is what I do. And I can do it for fun because it's super fun to just make short videos and do it. So again, and then if you want my bonus, if you get into that, just message me, email me back and say, Glenn, I want you to show me exactly how you do traffic, and I'll show you exactly how I make viral videos and how you can get traffic just like I do. And also some other programs that I promote that also earn me. This isn't the only program I promote. I promote other programs, and I show you how to get into those programs and promote those as well. Those are ones that you can make $1,200 to $5,000 commissions for a single sale. All right, guys. Again, it's Glen Murray. This has been MAP, or Master Affiliate Profits Review. I've got a little bonus in there, and that's it. Make sure you hit subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.